Subcompact, Kia Soul. When it comes to toaster-shaped vehicles, the Kia Soul reigns supreme, having outlasted the Honda Element, the Nissan Cube, and the Scion XB. Today it competes with more traditionally styled subcompact crossovers, including the Chevrolet Trailblazer, the Jeep Renegade, and the Kia Seltos, but it hasn't given into those proportions. It remains a quirky cube, and we like it so much that we gave it an Editor's Choice Award. A 147 horsepower 4-cylinder engine comes standard, but Kia offers a powerful 201 horsepower turbocharged 4, which makes the Soul extra perky. The boxy shape provides plenty of room for 4 adults to cruise in comfort and a suitably large cargo area to hold their gear. If you need all-wheel drive, you'll have to look elsewhere, as the Soul doesn't offer it. Nor does it provide standard driver assistance features. Subcompact, Volkswagen Taos. Shoppers are clamoring for affordable crossovers and SUVs, and the new 2022 Volkswagen Taos is yet another entry to choose from. While it's smaller than the compact VW Tiguan, the subcompact Taos has a surprisingly roomy back seat and a sizable cargo hold. Its practicality even earned it an Editor's Choice Award. Taking design cues from both the Tiguan and the midsize VW Atlas, it's not as stylish or rugged as rivals such as the Mazda CX-30 and Chevy Trailblazer, but the smallest and least expensive VW SUV is still handsome. The Taos also boasts a new turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and can be equipped with all-wheel drive. Add its assortment of available driver assists and desirable features, and the 2022 Taos is a satisfying option in a popular segment. Subcompact luxury, Volvo XC40. Among the already fashionable lineup of Volvo SUVs, the even more chic 2022 XC40 is a hip and youthful one. The entry-level model is powered by a 184 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder that wears the T4 badge, but the spunkiest version is the T5, which offers 248 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive. The XC40 brings with it plenty of tech, too, including available driver assists that are borrowed from higher-end Volvo models, including the Pilot Assist semi-autonomous driving mode. Still, the XC40 isn't all flash. Its cabin is thoughtfully designed with clever storage opportunities, and its cargo area is generously sized, earning it a spot on our Editor's Choice list. Plus, when compared to German rivals such as the BMW X1 and Mercedes-Benz GLA class, the Volvo's higher seating position will appeal to SUV enthusiasts. If you're looking for an electrified SUV with similar traits, Volvo also offers the XC40 Recharge, which we review separately. Subcompact luxury, BMW X1. Don't get hung up on the 2022 BMW X1 spreadbox shape. It's actually a small, playful SUV that just happens to be practical and easy to live with. All models come with the same 228 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and it's perky enough to haul the little X1 around town with alacrity. At the same time, it's fairly efficient and delivered 29 miles per gallon highway in our testing. Handling is crisp and the ride is refined, exactly what we expect from the BMW brand. Not only does the X1 deliver on-road enjoyment, but its large cargo area also provides plenty of room for cargo, and the rear seats are easy to fold flat to make room for bulkier items. Its well-rounded nature has earned it a place on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. BMW also sells the more stylish X2, which is admittedly even sportier to drive, but we think the X1 offers a better blend of driving fun and practicality. Subcompact luxury, BMW X2. While it shares its underpinnings with the more sedately styled X1 SUV, the 2022 BMW X2 distinguishes itself with a fastback roofline and a hot rod variant that really hustles. With spray handling, the X2 is easy to drive quickly on twisty roads. In fact, some may argue it's more of a hot hatch than an SUV. Base models come with the same 228 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder that sits under the X1's hood, but we favor the M35i's more powerful 302 horsepower engine.